First of all, thanks for watching this video. Today we are going to see a review on SaladPix, the most powerful software that turns every prospect into a client. So SaladPix can do 50 plus ready-made templates you can customize in minutes. Tap into a huge pool of peer source templates and designs you can modify. Personalized images in multiple formats for every social network. Supports both downloading of images and sharing of image links that go to your landing page. Personalize images in your email messages and get more clicks. Arouses curiosity with your messages instead of irritating your leads. Complete analytics and reporting included. If you are interested in buying the product, then check out the description box. Plus, you will get bonuses. Creates your own personalized designs using drag and drop designer. Pick up any image or a graphic and personalize it. Easy to use softwares as a service, runs anywhere. Supports personalizations of both text and images on your landing page. Full control over font styling, colors and text layout. Improve recall values and get 3x more replies. Integrates with all the autoresponders and email softwares. If you are interested in buying the product, then check out the description box. Plus, you will get bonuses. In SaladPix, no tech knowledge required, no need to hire an expensive designer, no wasting hours and hours of design apps, personalized images for any platform. Image clicks lead to landing pages. Delight your customers into responding. Create better recall than competition. Get 325% more response from your outreach. No need to download anything. Hundreds of ready-made templates. Inbuilt designer included. Full control over layout. Personalized images in social media messages. Personalized images in emails. Personalized landing pages. Supports all autoresponders. If you are interested in buying the product, then check out the description box. Plus, you will get bonuses. Direct outreach is the simplest way to win a new clients and grow your business. First, find leads using social sites, directories and search engines. Create a prospect list to your best customers. Look for businesses that you can target with your services in your city or globally. If you have customers already, find their competitors and include them in your list. Second, collect a contact data for your reach out. Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, email collects all the contact data for your customer that you can. Social media network, website, email IDs, LinkedIn, Facebook page and more. Third, choose the right reach out strategy. Select the right channel for your client and the market. Start off your outreach push utilizing multiple channels. and exploiting the individual communication style of each channel to connect and establish trust with your prospects. Fourth, send your reach out and start turning leads into customers. Activate your reach out program and start connecting with prospects. Get fresh clients and grow your business faster than ever. If you are interested in buying the product, then check out the description box. Plus, you will get bonuses. Limited time offers. First, get a salad picks now, and we will also give you the training to turn you into a master lead marketer. Value $97. Complete Salad Picks training will show you how to set up six-figure business using Salad Picks. We'll give you the basics of lead marketing and show you how you can use outreach to improve profitabilities in your business. Outreach Secrets. Learn the secret tricks of funnel marketing that will help you get more sales from every customer. This training is only available during the sale. Get it now and you'll be on the fast track to funnel domination. Limited time offers. Second, 500 plus media assets that you can use in your personalized outreach marketing. Value $37. Get ready-made graphics, images, clip arts that you can use to create amazing personalized images. Limited time offers. Third, get 25 free templates for landing pages and opt-in pages. Value $97. Get a salad picks now and we will also give you 25 templates and themes for your landing pages and opt-in pages. Each template is 100% customizable. If you are interested in buying the product, then check out the description box. Plus, you will get bonuses.